Hello everyone, welcome to our little video today. Just as generations before us, the Carson Colorado Railway volunteers want to maintain this lasting piece of history, Engine 18. Good thing is, we can draw on generations of making lasting hardware. Not only is the Slim Princess Engine 18 a testament to lasting history, but so is the rail she is riding on. Engine 18 was built in 1911 for the Nevada, California, Oregon Railroad and became Engine 18 for the Southern Pacific Lines in 1925. She operated on the Carson Colorado Narrow Gauge Railroad, first at the Mina branch and later out of Keeler. The rails Engine 18 is operating on today actually predate her. During one of the work weekends, I was just strolling with my granddaughter along the rails and noted these markings. The rails were forged in 1908 by Carnegie Steel in the Edgar Thompson works. Had I ever paid attention to those? No. But the word Carnegie grabbed my attention that morning. In today's world, I connect Carnegie to a foundation, a library, not rails or steel. But then, how did the foundation and the library came about? Well, hard work, making a good profit, and creating something lasting. So lasting, it is still in operational order today, 116 years later. Of course, I wanted to find out more, and more I found. Too much for this little video. There is a whole science behind those markings, and I'll link in the description below to a rather informative webpage. So, thanks for watching this short video. Please share, like, and please subscribe to our channel. This will help the Carson Colorado Railway volunteers to maintain Engine 18 and its rails as a lasting testament to our human ingenuity. Thank you.